Good afternoon, children. Once again, I welcome you all to my science class for A standard. In the previous class, you have studied about crop production. This is the first lesson given in your book. So now I did not tell in the previous class. So now this year, your science book completely changed and mathematics also changed. So according to that, this lesson is first lesson in your science book. You just open and see. In the previous class related to crop and farmer and manure and fertilizer and fertilization, everything very short way I have explained, and types of crops and seasons and also other things, what are the useful out of crop, how we have to develop, how we have to produce, what are the reasons to demand crop, how to grow grains, everything introduction part I have given. Apart from that also, I told you already sometimes, so see this is a primary level you are learning all these things, so just for introduction. So by inspiration you may become farmer in future. Educatedly if you become a farmer, so your growing way is entirely different. Related to that, they have given some of the points for you. Basic entities they have given. That means ಸಣ್ಣದಾಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಬೆಳೆಯೋದು, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಲ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಒಂದು ಜಾಗ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಯಾವ ಥರ ನೀವು ಬೆಳಿಬೋದು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೈಮ್ನ ಅದು ಗಾರ್ಡನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ನೀವು ಬಳಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ. ಅದಲ್ಲದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫಾದರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಎ ಗುಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು have completed your graduation in the area of agriculture and you can grow many things. Related to that they have given. So today I will continue the same lesson. So that is basic practices of crop production. Basic if you know, see suppose if you want to read anything you must know alphabet very well. Then only you can join and read. Otherwise it is not possible, no children. Okay, all of you concentrate. So don't open the book. So according to headings, I am explaining. After my explanation, you go through textbook. Everything is there. Okay, while I am teaching, if you go through the book, there is no use. Some of the words you cannot follow. I will explain each and everything in your textbook according to the headings. Okay, let us pass on to basic practices of crop production. What are the methodology? How to start to do cultivation? So you are supposed to learn. See, the basic thing is preparation of soil. Soil is very important. Just I will brief. Later in detail I will go children. Preparation of soil. Soil is very important. Whether the soil having fertility or not, we have to check out. If there is no fertility, how to fertile the land, that also we have to learn. So that they have given in your textbook. Soil importance also they have given. Okay, so in this next sowing. Sowing means what? ಬೀಜ ಹಾಕೋದು. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬೀಜ ಹಾಕೋದು? ತಗೊಂಡೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೀಗೆ ಹಾಕೋದಲ್ಲ. There is a method. So that method they have given. How to sow the seeds. What type of seeds we have to use it. What distance we have to maintain. So everything they have given. So go for adding manure. See, manure is very important. Every day, early morning you getting up and having milk and other boost, additional supplementary also you are taking. No, why you are taking? You are getting energy. So like that, here also adding manure. Manure ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊಬ್ಬರ. ಆ ಗೊಬ್ಬರ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೇನೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಬರೋದು, ಫರ್ಟಿಲಿಟಿ ಫಲವತ್ತಾದ ಒಂದು ಜಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Adding manure is very important. What type of manure? That also you must know, no children. So next, irrigation. Irrigation means what? If you get thirsty, what do you drink? Water. Like that, irrigation means for the growing the crops. So the land required, soil required, plant required water. Water is very important. Without water, it will become dry. For that, irrigation facility is very important. Without irrigation, we cannot do anything. So that is next step. So next, protecting. Not only growing is not very important. After growing, how do you protect? How do you protect that one? So while growing, so whether the insects will be there and it may spoil sometimes. By the time, what you are using and protecting? And also sometimes some unnecessary, undesirable plants and are growing in between in your crop. You have to remove. That we call it as weeds. Protecting from weeds. Weeds ಅಂದ್ರೆ unnecessary ಗಿಡಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬೆಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಬೆಳೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಅದನ್ನ ಬೆಳೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದ್ರ ಗೊಬ್ಬರ ನೀರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಬೈ ವೀಡ್ಸ್. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಗಿಡನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆಸಬೇಕು. ಅನ್ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಬೆಳೆಸಬಾರದು ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ. The manure will be useful by the undesirable plants. That also. So the next one is harvesting. Harvesting is very important. After growing the crop, ಹಾಗೇನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಬಿಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾರ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಮಣ್ಣನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಳಗಿಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ತರಬೇಕು, ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆ ಫರ್ಟಿಲಿಟಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಹಾರ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದಲ್ಲದೆ ನಾವು ಬೆಳಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬೆಳೆದಿದ್ದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಹಾರ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಕೀಳೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಒಟ್ಟುಗೂಡಿಸೋದು, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಹಾರ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೆಳೆ ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ, ಹಾರ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೆಳೆ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೊಯ್ಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಕೊಯ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಣಗಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬಡಿದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಬೀಜ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆದು ಅದನ್ನು ಸೆಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. harvesting. Sometimes manually we are doing, sometimes we are using tractor, machine we are using. Nowadays people are little bit lazy and also saves time. We are using machine, harvesting we are doing. And also after harvesting we are getting a crop, different types of crop. We have to protect very safely for the long time. Long time we have to protect it. How to protect that one. So these are all the things step by step you have to learn, children. That is crop production. At the end, animal husbandry also they have given. Animal husbandry also. What is animal husbandry? These are all the content you are studying under a crop production. For this crop production, management is important. We have to concentrate, we have to manage properly. Time to time we have to manage children. Okay, let us have a repetition, these 7 steps. Take one by one, little bit more detail we require to learn. Let us pass on. Come on children, all of you repeat. Now, what are these basic practices of crop production? What is that? Preparation of soil, sowing, adding manure, irrigation, protecting from weeds, harvesting, storage. Once again repeat children. Preparation of soil, sowing, adding manure, irrigation, protecting, harvesting and storage. And also one more important thing, what are you are learning here, for each and everyone having a picture. So see here, see this is what they are doing. See how nicely, see bulls are there, so farmer is moving the device. So out of that the soil is breaking, each one breaking and it is going. So here another one, tractor is there and farmers are, one is running, one is moving, another one along with the bulls. This is the bullock cart type. So another one, how to sow the seeds. Here one type of seeds, so using the funnel and they are putting the seeds one by one, they are dropping. Another method out of this also through the tractor, at a time 7 to 8 seeds equal distance maintaining, they are filled up. It is moving. By the time also the seeds are entering inside the soil, penetrating inside the soil, children. So next, you go for next. So here also the differences between the fertilizer and the manure, they proved. The two children are sitting there, they proved in which manure or fertilizer or ordinary, how to grow the plant. So they have proved in this picture. So next, you go for this one, how to put the water. So what is that step? Which step? Irrigation. See, there are 4 types. From the beginning, from the olden days, people how they are used to put the water to the field. See, different 4 pictures, 4 pictures they have given. See, this is one type, this is one type, this is one type, this is one type, children. So that is one. So next, we'll go for another one, modern method of irrigation. Protecting from weeds. Weeds ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಬೇಡದ ಗಿಡಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಯಾವ ತರ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೂಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಯು ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ಇಟ್. ಹೌ ಟು ಸ್ಟೋರೇಜ್. See, storage boxes also they have mentioned. How to protect the grapes, how to protect the crops. So these are all the things they have given. You go through, you write textbook, you go through it, you will come to know, children. Now let us pass on to the first one, is preparation of soil. How to prepare the soil? See, turn the soil. Always see, you have a pot in front of your house. Pot, you know pot. So just you leave for 1 month, the plant will be dry. But often, if you make loose the soil, you reverse it. So by the time you put water, the plant will grow because it breathes properly. ಉಸಿರಾಟ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಗಿಡ root goes penetrate inside. By the time the plant having comfortable with the soil. So like that, so preparation of soil, you have to turn, you have to plow. Plow means what? Plow. Pronounce it, children. Plow. Hudodu get a plow antive. So plow the soil. Okay. So adana ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ plow the soil, turn the soil, loosen it. So that is that, and also develops earthworms. What is this, children? Develop earthworms and microbes. Read out, children. So while flowing, develops earthworm and microbes. These two are friend of farmer. ರೈತನಿಗೆ ಗೆಳೆಯರು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ earthworm loses the soil because it was very big. See, in front of your house was very small pot. That only we are not doing, but 2 acres, 3 acres field, how he is doing farmer. Understand? But earthworm, microbes are there in the soil, but they loosen them because they have to move it. No, by that time the earth won't become hard, the soil won't become hard. That is why earthworms and microbes are friends of farmer. Who are the friends of farmer, children? Earthworm and microbes are the friends of farmer. It helps the farmer to lose and reverse in the soil. By the help of that, the crop grows easily. So these are the things. And also the process of turning and loosening. The process of turning and reverse ಮಾಡೋದು. Turning and loosening is called tilling, and they have given 2 concepts in your book: tilling and flowing. Tilling and flowing. See, turning and loosening, this process we call it as tilling and flowing. What are tilling flowing, loosening and turning. We call it as tilling and flowing. So the next concept they have given agricultural implements. Agricultural implements. There are three processes they have given. So one is flow. One is flow. Correct children? Flow. Another one is hoe. Another one is cultivation. Cultivation. Flow and after growing crab in particular field, we have to flow by the help of the bulls or tractor. We have to use those devices. We have to flow. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಮಣ್ಣನ್ನ ಫಲವತ್ತಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ಲೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So the next one is hoe. Hoe means it is a simple device. Unnecessary plants are growing in between the crops. We are removing that one. That process called it as a hoe. Unnecessary, that is we call it as weeds. This fertility. Children following the fertility. Cultivation means what? Develops. Cultivation, that is a tractor or anything. You have to use the tractor or bulls ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎತ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಬಳಸಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಡಿವೈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಕಲ್ಟಿವೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. These are the three implementation of agriculture. Which are the agricultural implementation? So flow, hoe, cultivation. Hello children, flow, hoe, cultivation. This is comes under the preparation of soil. It is given in detail in your book. So the next one is we pass on to next one. So what is the first one? Preparation of soil is over. Follow it, children. See here, flow, developing earthworms and microbes. So in spite of that also, we are doing turning and loosening even by the help of earthworms and microbes and other devices also we are using to loose the soil. So that process we call it as tilling and flowing. Come to next agricultural implementation. There are three are there: flow, or cultivation. Flow means fertility. Ulugudu. Hoe means weeds, unnecessary plants we have to remove. Cultivation using the tractor or the bulls with wooden device, we can make a cultivation. This is about the preparation of soil. Your soil is ready. Okay, your field is ready. Everything is over. So next, what is next? You have to use the seeds. The seeds what you are putting inside the soil, that we call it as sowing. What is that? Sowing. Sowing. What is this sowing or how to do it? Sowing is, there are two methods I tell you. The seed should be very good, and also seeds that has to be dried under the sun rays properly, and also the quality seeds you have to use while you are sowing. Understand? And also how to put the seeds to the soil. See, there are two methods out there. One is funnel method is there. Funnel you know, this is the shape funnel. Funnel is this shape. See children, this is the funnel. See inside if you put this one here, one by one, so it goes for the soil. Understand? So that you have to insert bullock carts with a wooden pattern device. You put it one by one while you are moving that one by one it goes. So it takes time. But another method also is there. Through the tractor penetrate inside the soil. ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದೊಂದಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಸಾರಿಗೆ 10-15 ಬೀಜಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಕಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ ಫನಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1-2 ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನೇ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ. ದೀಸ್ ಡಿವೈಸಸ್ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು sow the seeds. What are other they have given? Let us see. Sowing, traditional tool, seed drill. See, there are 2 methods are there. One is traditional. Traditional is funnel. Drill means so many through the tractor we are using. Which are the 2 methods? One is traditional method, another one is drill method. Which one you want, you can select while you are sowing the seeds. Clear, children? No problem. So what else is there? Next one is adding manure. See, for the soil we have to put manure ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಊಟ ತಿಂತೀರಲ್ಲ, ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಬರೋಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾಗೇನೆ if you put manure to the soil, it has to be it has own fertility, ಫಲವತ್ತಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗಿಡಗಳು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಮೆನ್ಯೂರೇ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತೆ? ಮತ್ತೆ one more thing very important, nowadays you know organic and inorganic food. Okay, so organic food is manure, inorganic food is fertilizer. Fertilizer contains too much of chemicals. So many nutrients will be there in the fertilizer. ಬೇಗ ಅದು ಫಲವತ್ತಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಬೇಗ ಬೆಳೆದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. We want organic manure, that is cow dung and dry plants and other what are we are finding in the village, what are we are eating and waste one, everything. So that combines together, that manure is very much useful to grow the plant. Out of that what we are getting a crop that is good for our health. Inorganic, immediately we are getting a chemical nutrients that grows very well, we are getting, but that is not very good for our health. Understand, children? Adding manure, which one you preferable? ಯಾವುದು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು? Manure man-made, that is factory preparation fertilizer. ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ತಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಮೆನ್ಯೂರು ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದ ಕಸಗಳು ಮತ್ತೆ ಮರದ್ದು ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೊಳಿಸೋ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಬ್ಸ್ನ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಬೆಳೆದಾಗ ಆ ಒಂದು ಬೆಳೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾನಿಕಾರ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇನಾರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ಸ್, ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರೋಯಿಂಗ್, ವಿತಿನ್ 1 month we are getting crop. But manure, it may take another 10 days more. But which one is good for our health? Organic is good for our health, children. Followed up? Okay. So this is the way you must know everything. Okay. Adding manure ಹಾಕೋದ್ರಿಂದ mineral supply ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಗಿಡಕ್ಕೆ. Water ಇಂದ mineral supply, salt and other nutrients. So everything will be supplied to the plant. By that time, plant will grow very well. And also, the soil also develops fertility. And also, one more thing. So when you are growing crops continuously in a year, you have to leave for few days like that only field. So immediately if you grow crops, the fertility will be loses. That is why you have to give the gap. Fertility will be increases in the soil. ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೀವು ಬೆಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಹೇಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಆಗತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. So that is the procedure you have to follow. Okay? So that is the thing. So here adding manure, fertilizers, you know, urea, potassium, everything that are chemicals. But manure ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? Cow dung, plant waste, human waste, everything we can use it there. See the difference. We don't have any chemicals, manure, but fertilizer having chemicals. The one more question here, you are finding what are the differences between manure and fertilizer. What are the differences between manure, say children, and fertilizer. Fertilizer. So what are the difference between the manure and fertilizer? Generally we can tell manure is manual, fertilizer is factory. And also manure is, the differences they have given. So here man-made inorganic prepared this is a natural, this is natural, this is artificial, this is cheap, this is costly. This contains chemicals, manure cannot contain chemicals. They have given in your textbook. What are the difference between manure and fertilizer? Fertilizer grows very fast, not grow very fast. Healthy manure, not healthy fertilizer. These are the differences between manure and fertilizer. Children, tell me, manure is healthy, fertilizer is not healthy. Manure is cheap, fertilizer is costly. Manure is manual, fertilizer is factory, preparation, etc. They have given. So you go through textbook slowly. So you write down differences between manure and fertilizer. Have you followed, children? Okay. So next we'll pass on to what is that? Irrigation. Irrigation is very important. Water. Without water, your plant never grows. Even we cannot, as a human beings. Irrigation also different method is there. There are 5 methods there. Piping irrigation. Sometimes the pipe will be connected to the root of the plant itself. When you are on, that water is reaches. That is one method. And also, in another method is also they have given what is that traditional irrigation. Water is very important. Along with the water, they have given traditional method. So canals will be there. Through the canals, so we are connecting the pipe and taking the water. And wells are there. Well, you know, bavi in the near which are the sources of irrigation? Which are the sources of irrigation for the farmer? River, lake, pond, rain. We cannot preserve water we required first. So whenever farmer required, rain won't come. Baba male boroದಿಲ್ಲ. So ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾವು preserve ಮಾಡಿರೋದನ್ನ ನದಿ ಹರಿತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಪಾಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕೆರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸರೋವರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ವೆಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬೋರ್ವೆಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So out of that are the sources for the farmer. Got it, children? So these are the sources of the farmer. You have to utilize that water. Water facilities are there. Crop production will be very easy. Without water we cannot carry the water like to our house. ನಾವು ಮನೆಗೆ ತಂದ ಹಾಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಕೊಂಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ನೀರು ಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಕ್ರಾಪ್ ಬೆಳಿಬೇಕು. Understand, children? So that irrigation is very water facilitates everything to the water plant. Crop production will be good. Okay, so this is very important. So next we'll go for, and there are 2 methods they have given mainly. One is sprinkler method, another one is drip method. Sprinkle andre gottalla nimge fountain tana neer barutte, adane fountain madidre tumba chennagi neeru ಎಲ್ಲಾದಕ್ಕೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. This is a good method and saves water. Drip method ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೂಟ್ ಗೆ ನಾವು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀರನ್ನ ಪೈಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಡ್ರಿಪ್ ಬೈ ಡ್ರಿಪ್, ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಬೈ ಡ್ರಾಪ್, ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಉಬ್ಬು ತಗ್ಗುಗಳು ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ ಎತ್ತರ ಅಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೌನ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಬಳಸಿದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. So these are the modern methods we are using under irrigation. Another one is protecting from weeds. What is this? Protecting from weeds. Not only this one, children. So in the plant, see, farmer means near the protecting from the birds, so protecting from the insects, so protecting from the animals. So there are so many disturbance will be there for the field. Farmer always visit to the field, take care, because we are eatable thing that is, we have to protect. We should not spoil so much effort we are putting. You know, irrigation we are doing, putting the manure, soil preparation, everything we have done. At the end, when it is growing, so many disturbance will be there. That farmer should take care. And unnecessary plants are not growing in between the crops. By the time that and all, he has to take one device that has to cut off. The weeds should be removed before flowering and seeds. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಒಂದು ಗಿಡ ಬೆಳೆದಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಫ್ಲೇವರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸೀಡ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೂ ಮೊದಲು ಅದನ್ನು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಆ ಬೀಜ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬಿದ್ದುಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಗಿಡ ಬೆಳೆದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್. He must have a hard work with the crops. Then only it is possible to protect him from weeds, children. Weeds. Follow it up? Have you followed it? See, now so far preparation of soil you have done. Very nice. So ಬೀಜ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೋದು, ಯಾವ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ಡಿವೈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೆನ್ಯೂರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ 2 ಟೈಪ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬೇಗ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸರ್ ಹೋಗಿ, ಮೆನ್ಯೂರ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಿನ ಕಾಯಿ. ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಮೆನ್ಯೂರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ, ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಬೇಡ ಅಂದರೆ ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸರ್ ಹೋಗಿ. And irrigation, water is very important. How to put water also I told you. The next one is protecting from weeds. Unnecessary animals ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ರೋಗಗಳು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಗಿಡಗಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದು ಔಷಧಿಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೂವ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾರ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳೆನೂ ಆಯಿತು, ಬೆಳೆ ಏನು ನಾವು ಕೊಯ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದು ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಾವು ಮುಳುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಗಾಡಿಗೆ ತೂರಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಮೂಟೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಗೋಡಿ ಚೀಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀವಿ. Harvesting is very nice. Happy day for us because since 3 months we were working with the field, but harvesting is given the result. So that is we are enjoying. Farmer is enjoying. Farmer sells that one. By the time he is getting money. Okay. Not only that one. So for our purpose, for our house purpose also, we are protecting. So not only that one, storage. So after harvesting, that neatly we have to storage at home. ಉಗ್ರಾಣ ಅಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಹಿಂದಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಉಗ್ರಾಣ ಅಂತಿದ್ದು. ಅದನ್ನು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಹುಳುಗಳಿಂದ ನಾವು ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹುಳುವೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸ್ಪಾಯ್ಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೇ, ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸಸ್. We have to do basic practices are very important for crop production. Without these things, you cannot production of crop is not possible. You should be thorough with all these things, prepared mentally and complete. The last concept is animal husbandry. Animal husbandry is out of, see, some people are eating fish, some people are meat and mutton, etc. So for that factories are there, preparation are there. So ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದು ಏನು, ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡರಿ. ದಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ they have given. In future you may get, by the time I will explain. I hope all of you follow it. If you don't follow, repeat video once again. And in between some of the small concept that is left over, that will be given in your notes along with the question answers. So you try your level best to understand. And also after this lesson, my explanation, you go through your textbook and in exercises, objective type questions and so 3-4 question answers they have given. Take one rough note. Try to answer that one. But fill up the objective type. In your textbook only you fill it. Only question answers you write in one page and send to us. Okay, children? So thank you so much so far. You have listened this one. First lesson is completed. Okay, children? So bye bye.